In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP 970 printer that is printing lines. So you can clearly see it has printed lines on this page. Also on this page we can see the lines are there. The print quality is not that great. Now to improve the print quality, go to the printer display panel, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Click on the print head alignment. There are vertical alignment and horizontal alignment, two options. So if you have a vertical lines, you can select the vertical alignment. If you have horizontal lines, you can use that. If you have both, you can start from the first one. Vertical, click on the print. We can see there is a print result here and it has vertical lines in it. We have to find the box without any vertical line. So it's still printing. Wait for the second page. So let's select the result. Go to the printer display panel. You have to select the box with the least number of lines or without lines. For first we have the option number 7, that is without lines. For the second we have number 6. So you just have to select on the paper. For example, I have number 5 with least number of lines. So I'll just select that, #3. And here is our last one. Next step is to press OK and go for the print head alignment again and click on the horizontal alignment and click print. That is our horizontal alignment page. You will see there are lines, so you have to find a rectangle that is not overlapping and with the least number of lines. So right now I can say the correct option is number 3. Click proceed and press OK. So whenever you are going to print now, there won't be any vertical or horizontal line in the printing. So this way we can fix this problem. Thanks for watching.